Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add cool filter on CapCut apps. Now, let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and open your project, or you can add the video that you want to edit. But in here, I want to open the my project. Okay. And in here at my project, I wanna add a cool filter. So you just click on the filter at the bottom. This one, click on it. And after this, in here you can swipe until you can see cool. You just click on it. Okay. Can see this is the before after, and after this, in here you can adjust for the video, you can adjust for the brightness, for contrast, and for saturation and anything else. And after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the bottom. And now you can setting the effect to all a video. You just like this. Okay. And finish. So that's how to add cool filter on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.